Welcome student for the Generative AI and Technique course. In this session, we are going to discuss about Generative Adversarial Network, which means a GAN model. GAN contains two parts. One is a generator, next one is a discriminator. With the help of an GAN, we can generate a data and as well as we can classify the given data is a fake data or else a real data like that. GAN is an advanced machine learning model. It operates with an unsupervised learning framework and it utilizes a deep learning technique for generating a data as well as classifying the data under a fake or else a real like that. Major purpose of GAN is to generate and synthetic data with the help of a generator, and those data are given input towards a discriminator, and discriminator will classify the data whether the data belongs to a fake data or else a real data like that. There are two parts associated with the GAN model. One is a generator, next one is a discriminator. If we provide a random noise as an input towards a generator means then generator will generate one new synthetic data set. Based on a random noise, we can generate an image data, text data, voice data or else a video data. With the help of a discriminator, we can classify whether the given data is a fake data or else a real data like that. Generator is used to generate a synthetic data set where that synthetic data set has been given input towards a discriminator, and discriminator will classify the given data is a real data or else a synthetic data with the help of a deep learning technique. To generate a data set, random noise has been given input towards a generator. Based on a random noise, we can generate an image, we can generate a text, we can generate a voice or else we can generate a video based data set. With the help of a discriminator where we can classify the data whether the data is a real authenticated data or else a synthetic fake data like that. Discriminator produce an output as a 0 or as a 1. If we get an output as a 1 means then we can classify the given data is a real data. If we receive an discriminator output as a 0 means then we can classify the given output as a fake data. It is a synthetically generated data. There are two loops are associated with an GAN model. One is an input cycle, next one is a feedback cycle. With the help of an input cycle, we can continuously feed an input towards an discriminator. We can, with the help of a generator, we can generate a synthetic output where that synthetic output can be given input towards a discriminator, and feedback loop has been given input towards an generator with the help of this feedback loop where we can improve the data set quality. Thank you. We can discuss the next topic in the next session.